Hey there, YouTube friends. If you have these less than modern fluorescent light fixtures like we have, and you're having a bit of a nightmare getting the cover off, I'm going to show you how to go about doing it. But first, let's take a look at one of the fixtures where I already have the cover off and take a look at what's going on. Now, you can see right here, there's this little lip, and if you can imagine, my finger being the bulb cover, just kind of hangs in there like that. Alright, but let's take a look at the cover that I already took off, and let's look at the end of it. Now the end of it is this rigid plastic. Alright, so it's very rigid and you can't flex it. So if you're trying to get the cover off from the end, you're going to have a problem. What you want to do is you want to get it from the middle where there's a little give, and you could kind of pry it off of that lip, and I will show you. I'm going to do that right now. Alright, now if I try to spread it apart from the end, I can't do it because it's too rigid over here. So I'm going to come to the middle with my left hand. I'm going to support the other side and push up towards the ceiling a little bit, and then with my right hand I'm going to just put my fingers in there and spread it apart, and then it just comes down like that. And you can see it's supported on the other lip, and you just lift it off like that. And then when you put it back on, you can just support it on the lip like that, and then come up, tuck it into the lip, and then it's back on just like that. Alright, and I might as well show how I replace the fluorescent bulb in case you've never done it before. These are the bulbs I got from Home Depot. They're T12, 40 watts, and they're 4 foot long. Alright, now to get the bulb out, I just have a hand on each side, spread apart, and I'm just going to try to rotate the bulb until it hits the opening, and then it comes right out. Okay, so here's the end of the bulb, and we have these two pins, and these two pins slide right up into this little connector over here. You slide it up and then you turn the bulb and it rotates, and then there will be a pin on this side and a pin on this side. Now with my index finger holding the pins at each end, just to guide it into the little slot that has to go in. I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to rotate it, and now it's in. And you don't have to worry too much with your fingers touching the bulb, as long as your fingers aren't too greasy. It's not like a halogen bulb. Okay, so now we're all bright and lit up again. Now unfortunately, Home Depot does not recycle the tubes, so you can't take it there. You have to take the old tubes to your local recycling facility. Now if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. More DIY stuff to come. We'll catch you next time.